Welcome back to the channel. Engineered for professionals and gamers alike, this docking station supports stunning 8K resolution at 60 Hz, allowing you to maximize display quality and enhance productivity like never before. Imagine watching breathtaking visuals and playing immersive games with unparalleled detail right at your desk. Designed for two desktop PCs 3DP monitors, the iDock D23 is engineered to connect two desktop PCs while supporting up to 3 DisplayPort monitors. This setup allows for an expansive workspace, perfect for multitasking and enhancing productivity. Users can seamlessly manage different tasks across multiple screens, making it ideal for professionals who require extensive display real estate for detailed projects or data analysis. Stunning 8K 60 Hz resolution. Enjoy unparalleled visual clarity with support for 8K resolution at 60 Hz. This advanced capability makes the iDock D23 ideal for high-definition gaming, professional design work, and media consumption, delivering vibrant colors and crisp details for an immersive experience. Effortless Hotkey Switching. Easily switch between multiple connected devices with convenient hotkey functionality. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to toggle between computers without the hassle of physical switches, enhancing productivity and keeping your workspace organized. High-speed 1G Ethernet connectivity. Experience reliable internet access with integrated 1G Ethernet support. This ensures fast and stable connections for online gaming, streaming, and other data-heavy applications, making it an essential tool for users who require uninterrupted connectivity. High-speed 1G Ethernet connectivity. Experience reliable internet access with integrated 1G Ethernet support. This ensures fast and stable connections for online gaming, streaming, and other data-heavy applications, making it an essential tool for users who require uninterrupted connectivity. With a variety of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 3.0, you can effortlessly connect all your essential devices. Experience rapid data transfer speeds and expanded connectivity without compromising performance. Product link in the video description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.